You are a bad boy. This man!
Your chicken is about to go down.
He shot you!
Alright guys, I made this video as a reply to Saint Rosiki. He commented on my last post that the next video you should make is the Nollywood film trick of how to see a person in a mirror at the native doctor's palace. I think he wanted to say shrine, but whatever. So, let's go. Mount your camera on the tripod using landscape. You get my point. So try to dress like a native doctor as much as you can. You get my point. Don't even laugh. You see the way I am. So you can sit down and all of a sudden you get up and maybe it's just like you receive a signal like that something is happening somewhere. Then you can draw a circle on the wall or anything, anywhere you are. Just try to draw a circle and try to look at it as if you are looking at someone that's trying to steal your chicken. I'm using chicken for this video. Then try to strike the person and walk away. Now record another video in another location. You get my point. So this time you're trying to steal from the person, understand? So I had to use this chicken for this video. So I just had to place the chicken in this small bush, this garden right here. So I'll do as if I want to steal the chicken and then bring it out. Then after that you do as if someone just hit you, then you fall down. When that is done, you save the videos to your gallery and head over to CapCut. On CapCut, click on new project and import the 2 video clips. I'm going to apply multi-cameras in this video tutorial, so you will learn 2 things at the same time. You get my point? So now let's, from where this character is walking in, where you want the video to start, you can split and delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? To do that, you need to tap on the video layer, then you can now tap on the split, then you delete the beginning of the video. That's from where you want your own video to start. I believe you get my point. So when that is done, to apply multi-cameras, you need to move the video a bit and you can click on the video layer, then tap on split. Understand? Now this one is the manual method of applying multi-cameras. Understand? So when you click on split, you don't do any other thing. Then you can still move the video a bit and split another part. But meanwhile, let's go to the other clip, like this particular clip. Understand? So what you will need to do again, you need to tap on the video, this video clip right here, and split, then delete the beginning of the video. So now this is how the second clip is going to start. You get my point? So what you need to do here is you move the video a bit. When you move it a bit, you just tap on the video layer and then click on split. You get my point? Because we want to use this also for the multi-camera effect. Now tap and drag the first splitted layer in the second clip. Swap it to make sure it aligns after the first splitted layer in the first clip. So you have something like this. So you have something like that. So when this one plays for some seconds, it's going to switch back to this other clip. So with this, you can decide to create many multi-camera effects in a video depending on the length of the video and how you want the video to be. Understand? So that's part of transition. I don't know if you get my point. So that's just it. So now let's get back to the main tutorial on how to edit this native doctor's mirror effect. Alright, so after all the multi-camera settings, let's go over to where the character wants to draw a circle so the mirror will appear, so you'll be able to see from the wall. You get my point? So that's one of the important step you need to pay attention, and make sure you watch it and follow it step by step so you will not make any mistake. You get my point? So guys, you can support my channel by watching this video from the beginning to the end and clicking the like button. When you do that, YouTube will distribute this video to a larger audience. You know, we need to grow. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You get my point? So now let's get to that point. So immediately you draw a circle on the wall like what this character is doing right now. And please take note, it must not be a circle. You can decide to use a rectangle or any other shape. You get my point? So when you are done drawing either a circle or any other shape on the wall, what you need to do, just go over to the other layer, this layer right here. Now what you do, you have to bring this layer to that circle part. So you click on the video layer right here. Now go and look for overlay. Click on overlay. So the video is going to come down. Now you place your finger on the video layer, drag it towards that part where the character is drawing that circle. Understand? Alright, so I made a video on how to create a double zoom after effect on your mobile phone. You get my point? So if you really want to watch it, if you are interested, you click the link you see up here and watch it. It is well detailed. Alright, so now after the character has drawn the circle on the wall, you will have to drag the second layer to align immediately after the character draws that circle. I don't know if you get my point. So this is where the main thing is going to happen. So you tap on the second layer. Now place 2 fingers on your screen and make it small. You get my point? Just try to adjust it, make it a little bit small, not too small. Understand? Now go to the area you circled and mount it there. Understand? Now when you are done with that, you go to mask. Where is mask? Where is this mask, man? Alright, so we're going to see. Okay, look at mask here. Click on mask. Now you click on the circle. You get my point? So from here you're going to use these arrows to expand it. Make sure you have the circle shape. I don't know if you get my point. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. If you've not liked this video, don't forget to like this video. Just like it now. You get my point? You know we need to grow. So when you position it like that, you adjust those arrows around it so that everything is going to go well. You get my point? Now there is something you will need to know, because if you do it like this and you click on it, okay, now it's fine, but if you save it this way, you are going to make mistake. It's not going to go well. Understand? So after positioning it, let's go over to the next step. I don't like the way the second layer is coming in, so you tap on the second layer, click on animations. So now this time you will go to fade in. You click on fade in. Now you will increase the seconds to 1 second, just 1 second. You get my point? Now you click on OK. Let's go back. So let's see how it's going to be immediately after drawing. So as you can see now, this is nice. This is okay. You get my point? Now let's go over to the ending part of the second layer, which is the mirror layer. Now where you want it to end, you tap on the layer, click on split and delete the ending part of it. Now as you can see, you need to go to animation again. Then you click on out, tap on out. Then you go and look for fade out. Look at fade out right here. You get my point? So you click on fade out. When you click on fade out, you can leave it at 0.5 the way it is. Now go over to the ending part of the video and click on the video layer where you want the video to end. Then split and delete the ending part of it. You get my point? So this is how the video is going to end. So now what you need to do, just tap on the main video layer. Understand? When you tap on it, now go and look for duplicate. Let's look for duplicate. Where is this duplicate?
Click on duplicate. So tap on the duplicated layer. Now go look for overlay. Now click on overlay. So place fingers on your screen, drag it down to where that layer starts. I don't know if you get my point. Just keep scrolling, keep moving it, keep moving it. Understand? Keep moving it till the end of this second layer. The third layer now is on the third layer. You align with the end of the first layer. You get my point? Something like this. So when we get to this particular point, from here where the second layer starts, now tap on the third layer. Then you click on split. You get my point? And then go and look for remove BG. Let's go and look for remove BG. Now click on remove BG. Click on auto removal. Please allow it to remove completely. You get my point? So when that is done, you click on OK. So now why you are doing this is so that the mask area will not be able to cover your face when you are going in to strike the thief. You get my point? So you'll be able to, your face, yourself will be able to still show like what you see right now. So if you did not do that, you'll be at the back of the mask area. I don't know if you get my point. But I believe you get my point. If you are an upcoming video editor, click the link up here to watch this video editing guide. Guys, it's gonna help you. And suggest what you want me to teach in my next video. You get my point? So see you in our next video.